when it comes to romantic relationships or a job or something na nandyan ka, tas you're having second thoughts kung tama pa ba tong decision na to para sa akin, tama pa ba tong situation na to para sa akin, what I would answer is the moment you don't feel safe to be yourself anymore, that's your cue to go. Because you have to feel safe. You have to be okay to be who you are. The moment na kunyari sa trabaho mo, kailangan mo mag-pretend kasi yung boss mo ayaw makita yung totoong ikaw, I think that's a cue for you to go because you have to go to places where you are valued, where you are celebrated. So even in toxic relationships, if you are walking on eggshells, if you find yourself having to change yourself so that your partner will approve of you, that for me is already an unsafe environment. And that's your cue to leave. And I know it's easier said than done. But to think about this, 5 years ka nang nasa toxic relationship or sa toxic job environment na yan, alam kong sinasabi mong sayang yung 5 years. Pero anong mas sayang? Yung 5 years o yung plus 10 years na hindi ka pa umalis? Tas tinuloy-tuloy mo pa. So when you're starting to feel na parang hindi na tama, always listen to your intuition, yung gut feeling natin,
Yeah.
Nelson, yung gut feel. Sobrang, kasi ang problema natin, Nelson, sa mundo ngayon, we are overthinking and yet we are underfeeling. We have to feel
Wow.
our way through our journey. We have to feel if this is the right decision. And how do we feel? We feel it in our body. The body will tell you, wag tayo dyan. And you have to trust that. Wag tayong magpaka-stuck sa utak natin because our minds are just logical. Eh. They are just there to protect you, to intellectualize the situation. But at the end of the day, you also have to listen to your heart. So it's always a combination of head and heart. It can't just be one. So we have to change our overthinking ways and allow our hearts to feel. Drop into our hearts and feel, tama ba tong desisyon na to para sa akin? And trust that kasi hindi ka bibiguin ng soul mo. Hindi talaga.